Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application, which for me it's right over here. From here, tap on the three bars, go to Manage Contacts, Import or Export Contacts, and then select Import. This will show you a couple ways you can import your contacts. Obviously, we're interested in the SIM card. Once you select it, it will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card, so you can just simply click on them, whichever one you want to select. We can also tap right here, all, to select all of them, at which point you can click on Done, and this will allow you to choose where you can import those contacts to. Now, for me, it's only showing the phone option, but if I were logged into Google account or maybe Samsung account, I'm not exactly sure if Samsung shows up here, but I know Google does. So if I am logged into Google, I can also import those contacts instead of the phone to my Google account. So I would have an actual choice here, but because I am not, I only have the phone option. So that's what I'm gonna select. From here, select Import, and this will give you a message that 6 contacts have been imported, and there we go. You should now have them all here. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.